Remove the glazing beads, ensuring you do not mix them up as they need to go back in the same position. Any dirt or dust needs to be cleaned from the frame before the installation of the glass can begin. Insert the bridging packers around the opening. Failure to use these will mean water will not drain out of the frame, which could lead to unit failure. This is a fixed pane of glass, but opening casements will need to be toe and heeled. See our separate video for further details. Now install the glass against the bridging packers. You'll notice that there is a gap between the edge of the glass and the bridging packers. You will need to push glazing packers in these gaps, ensuring that the unit remains square and parallel in the aperture until it is firmly held in position. Once you are happy with the position of the unit and the packers, use silicone to secure the packers in place and prevent them moving. You can now refit the beads, ensuring they go back in the right place. Always start with the shorter beads first. Place the back of the bead into the groove, then use a rubber mallet to tap it into place, tapping on the edge where the bead meets the frame. Once the glass is fitted, clean the glass and the frames to remove any dust before sealing the frame to the internal wall or cut and fit any internal trims. That completes all the internal work. For a neat finish, break off any excess length of the packers with the chisel before removing all protective tape from the outside of the frame. Ensure all dust is removed from the external surfaces and that the frame is clean. Run masking tape along the edge of the frame to help create a neater finish before running a smooth bead of sealant between the frame and the brickwork. Always seal below the external sill. Fit external trickle vents if they are required. Check the operation of the window and make any adjustments needed before cleaning down the working area.